Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here to share with you guys these Halloween tags that I made. And to make these Halloween tags, I using a popsicle box and a template tag that I trace on a popsicle box. And in here I have 10 Halloween gift tags ideas. So let's start with this one, which I have in here a orange cardstock and a black cardstock. And this, the black and white strip scrapbook paper. And the sticker over here is one of the stickers that I got from Target. And I got this from Target too. And the little star right here. So this tag, I use a polka dot orange cardstock. And then I glue a black cardstock from here to here. And in the middle is the stamp Trick or Treat. And then the flowers is from this paper punch, which I love it. This is one of my favorite paper punches that I like to use it to make flowers. And right on the top and on the bottom is washi tapes that I got from the dollar section at Target. And this one is the candy corn gift tag. So it's a yellow cardstock and then an orange cardstock and a white cardstock. And right here in between is a orange washi tape. And then I glue the Happy Halloween and then the flower, black and orange. And the glow in the dark sticker. And in the back is just the orange cardstock. And this one I glue the checker paper. And then on the back is black cardstock. This over here I use this paper punch. And an orange cardstock right here. And then I glue the stickers, which came from Target, both stickers. And this orange pumpkin is from a stamping set that I got from Amazon. So this one over here is a black cardstock, front and back. And then I glue these two little flowers right here and the rhinestone. And look how the eye does. This is spooky and you can see the eye. Spooky eye. Spooky eye. Isn't that cool? And this one turned out so cute. This paper over here, I made a gift box with it. And I decided to use the paper for Halloween tag because totally matches Halloween too, right? Because it's black and white. And this is the checkered paper. And then I stamp the trick or treat. Then I added some stickers right on the bats, and then I glue two flowers, white and black. On the back of this gift tag is a checker paper. So this one over here is black and white stripes, and I use it again, the stamp Trick or Treat, and another sticker that came from Savers. And then I decided to add some sequins right here. And the back of this tag is a black cardstock. This one, I glue a black cardstock. And then in the middle, I decided to glue just the orange cardstock. And I added some of the stickers that came from Target. And stickers right here on the sides. In this gift tag, I use this orange and white cardstock. So it's the same thing as on the back. And right in the middle is a black cardstock. And the sticker is from Savers. And then this other sticker is from Target. And this one is the black and white paper. And then I glue the orange paper right here. And then I use the paper punch. And I glue a black and white flower. And the little stickers, the stars that I got from Target. And this is a Happy Halloween stamp that I stamp on a white cardstock. Then I glue on a black cardstock. So on the back of this gift tag is a white cardstock. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Don't forget to give this video a like. Comment down below which of these Halloween gift tags is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!